You see it, Hesston?
Right there.
There it is. What is it? Hesston is watching Uncle Jeff fly one of his little planes. And I'm not sure where it is because the sun is blinding me. There it is. Hi, Hesston. Yeah, to Uncle Jeff fly it this direction because then we can see it. Hey, you got my sunglasses on, do you? What is that, Hesston? Where's it going? Put the glasses on so you can look up in the sky. Where'd it go? There it is. See it? What do you think, Hesston?
Right there.
What is it? Is that the plane? You want me to take those? And we're off to bigger and better things. Definite attention of a 2-year-old. Gotta love it.